I'm playing this great game online, I have my own pet, Jasper the rabbit. I have to feed him and make sure he has clean hay. It says I can decorate his hutch with different stickers and colours. But there is a padlock on the sticker. What does that mean?
The padlock means that part of the game is locked. You can't use it unless you pay. They are called in-app purchases.
In-app purchases?
Yes, the game you are playing is called an application. The in-app purchases are extras you can buy and add to the game.
But I didn't have to pay to download and play the game.
The developer, the person who makes the game, lets people play it for free. If people like playing the game, they make in-app purchases. The money they pay for these goes back to the developer.
So that's how the developer earns money for making the game.
Yes, but it is important to remember you should always check with an adult before you make in-app purchases.
Oh, that is what it says when I select the sticker. Ask your parents. And then there is a maths question. Why is that?
The maths question is to make sure children don't spend money without asking an adult first. When this pops up, you should find a grown-up. There are lots of educational games that don't have in-app purchases. Let's look for a different app.
This is an app I can use to send photos and videos to my friends. They have been talking about it at school.
Look at the age rating. It says 12 plus. That means it is for children who are 12 and older. It means the app could include information that younger children would not enjoy.
That makes sense. I will look for something else. What about this one? Club Koala?
It is a good idea to explore online with an adult that you trust. You can look at apps and games together to decide what will be safe and fun. Let's have a look at Club Koala.
It says I need to enter a password, include an email address, and name my koala. Shall I use the same password I use for all my other games?
No, use different passwords for different apps and games. It is best to choose a password that is personal to you and easy to remember, but difficult for someone else to guess.
What about my birthday?
Birthdays, telephone numbers and family names are not good passwords. People who know you could guess that these might be your password. Some good ideas for passwords are your favourite character or film, a song you really like, or your favourite food. You could even create a secret code from a sentence by using the first letter of each word. I love orange juice and cake for snack becomes the password ILOJAC4S. It is good to include letters, numbers, and symbols.
That's a good idea. Now I have entered a password, I need an email address.
Use the email address of an adult you trust, but make sure you ask permission first. You can use mine. That way the adult can make sure the app or game is enjoyable for you.
Now I just have to choose my koala's name. I am going to call him Max.
You can add other koalas as your friends and chat to them.
Rex the koala wants to be my friend. He has just sent me a request.
Do you know who that is?
No. What should I do?
Only add people you know as friends. You should know who they are. Then you can chat to them like you would in the playground.
There are lots of fun places to visit in this game. There is a forest playground and a tree house. You can even swim in a waterfall pool.
I think you'll enjoy playing this. Just remember to keep your password secret to make sure only you can play the game as Max the Koala.
Would it be okay to ask my friends at school what their koala names are so I can become friends with them in the game?
Yes, you know them in the real world, so it is okay to be friends with them online. It's a good idea to play games in a family room where you can share how much fun you are having and ask any questions you might have.
Thanks for helping me set up this new game. There are no in-app purchases, but lots of fun things to do. I am going to take my koala to swim in the waterfall pool.